Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make sure your projects are square. There are two basic methods to make sure you are square. The first one I'm going to show you is the Pedagram Theorem. And this is not difficult by any means. It's only 3 measurements and then you will know you are square. In the working field we call this the 3-4-5 method. This is basically because if you have one side that is 3 and one side that is 4 and in between those sides is 5, this equals 90 degrees. To make your measurement as accurate as possible, you will need to measure as far as you can. And you can do this by multiplying the same consistent on all 3 numbers. And this will always give 90 degrees if you multiply the same number on all 3 numbers. Always measure 2 corners to make sure you are accurate and square. The second method is really easy. This is done by taking the diagonal. To take the diagonal you need to measure from one corner to the other and the same on the opposite side. If your measurements match, this means you are square. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below.